Thank you. Welcome to my platform. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Usas, I see you. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now yeah, the wait. I don't see him. Thank you so much. Please invite. Just invite, please. Help me to invite. Thank you. Please invite and share, guys. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please invite. Please. Thank you so much. Solomon, I see you. Thank you so much. Good evening. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Max, I see you. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are welcome to my platform. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thanks. Thanks. Please invite. Let me share to Ivy. And I'm coming, guys. I just have to invite. Please join me. Just join me. Need to invite Ivy. Sister. Please join. Thank you so much. Hold on. Where are you? I can't find. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you. You are welcome. Okay. Thank you. Please, I'm sorry, guys, so that you people will not feel that maybe there's no music. Yes, I insist. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. I just want to address some issues. Okay, please invite. Thank you so much. I see you. Good evening. You that is watching me, thank you so much. Good evening. Join me, please. I'm waiting. Please join. Thank you. I just want to address some issue. I beg, more than no vessel. I know, say most people don't come across this this video. Okay, I'm coming. I don't know, is this? I don't know. Thank you. Please join me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Abemona invite God Foundation. Our brother John Osage. There's one video I come across because I'm not used to these things, these particular things, but that video makes me like thank you. That video makes me to like go somehow, like be, who is this person? How many of you have come across this video, guys? Please join me. Because I think this video was, I think it was yesterday or today. Okay. So I know that many of you have come across this video. That our brother, sometimes most people go dey like make you dey talk to them the way, I don't know whether they understand something. I just want to show you guys this video before I will talk something, before I will say something that I want to say, okay? Because I don't really understand something about this video. But if you understand, please let me know, because there is something I just want to address for this video I just come across, guys. So just watch this video. Because you said you are John Osage, right? This message is for you particularly. Yes, it's for you. Okay? If you are doing something, you said you are doing it for the people, or you are doing it for God, or you are doing it for yourself, I don't want to know. But for me, I know that those things that you are doing it because you want to do it. Okay? Yes, you want to do it the way maybe God wants you to do this for these people. They need it. They want you to be there for them. Okay, fine. It's okay if you say so. But there's something I just want to, because there's something that I don't really understand about this, your video that you just did. Like, you want to close your God sent foundation, right? That's what you did about this video. My brother, Park, do you know what? That video that you just make, you are wrong. Definitely, you are very wrong. And before I will address this video, I just want to show you guys this video, because I know that most of you have watched this video. This message is for John Osage. Okay? Hey. I never see this one before. I never see this kind of one. You are doing this thing and you are putting a politics into it. My guy, let me loud this thing. Okay.
So all this why because they try best to make sure say if we still get government support for this kind better work when they do, because say the government of the day and not reach everybody, so in can join the hand, join government and say reach more person. But as we talk, so the person when we say him be the roots for when they now POI aka Pastor Sagezeya, we can't be say for the just concluded election he can't lose, but we don't say for any area when for the represent now still winner, because we know the support bad thing. Now waiting to support the society, waiting to favor the society, the less privileged, now we they support. So our God don't they do this work based on say he not even want anybody where we say they discourage her. But as they talk to you so he probably say if the person when they support, if you know he will close down the foundation based on say now so in and the friends now they always they bring money out, say they help people, say they cost service of doctor, so make sure say in they empower. So my people, the news we say I dey very sorry but I got to tell you say our God when we say then Ambassador Dion Osagi don't reason and say he want shut down the foundation where be saying for the help people, where be saying for the make sure say people will not get food set, they see chop, people will not get house, they see house stay, people will be say they never get leg to waka, give the leg to waka. So my people, now that be the news. So
thanks for joining. Please invite, share this video, please. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Now I come. Ambassador Dion Osagi. I go use English and small broken English self. I go use and scatter am. Then I can't use Bini cite scatter am for you. I beg. One, there is something that you make there that you support. Izeyamu, you know win. Now I make you want close your foundation, right? That man, when you say they support, you know win. He don't feel they okay and is living fine. Believe me or leave it. As our governor Obaseki don't win this election, that man is he coming back to win another election that is coming again. Okay, that one is for that. And you said that you support the person and the person don't win. Now you want make you close your foundation. My brother, that foundation, God sent foundation when you open. Now because of politics you open now. Or now because of all this governor you open now. I don't understand. Because if you say you open foundation just to take care of people when be say they not to get, okay, because it's orphanage. That's what I now that one me want even call and not be that even God sent, because you don't put that God sent and you are not doing that particular thing. Because if you dey do God, thank you so much. You say God foundation, you want close am because say Izeyamu no win. My brother, sorry, Dion Osagi, you are not going anywhere. Yes, so you are not going anywhere because I don't need always na do ma. Don't want na hama we, ime hamu we na. Now that Bini, you for can't even dey okay. Forget the America when you first day. Nobody send you for that one. But now that Bini, now you first day. Good evening, my lady. I see you. Thank you so much. Please share this video. I want me to reach this Dion Osagi, whatever. Because Izeyamu no win. What you want try to tell we like? I know we don't understand. Now it make you want close the God Foundation. I been waiting your man carry say you want do for people of Edo State. Now it make you open foundation. Come may not come be say we come they listen to waiting most people come they talk say you they use that place they gather money. You are doing well. You understand. You are helping people. We know that. But keep doing that good thing that you know how to do best. Right? Keep doing that good thing that you know how to do best. Thank you so much for joining. Please invite. Please, if you want to give your opinion, you can still give. Okay, my number is there. If you are doing the God Sent Foundation, you are doing orphanage. That is orphanage, okay? You are helping people. We are so proud of you for that. You are doing very, very well, okay? Then you continue doing what you are doing. I don't see the reason why this election that just came not quite like yesterday, that will make you to decide that you are not doing God Sent Foundation again anymore, that you want to close it. My brother, you are not going anywhere. Edo State ni one uka America re una Edo State ni. Okay? Then two, uke do mi Ivieto, Mami Vieto na ni mama yani re diaspora which is all over the world. Ni re webo, Kenon winner 12 hours. Okay? Kenon winner be 12 hours. Non winner 8 hours. Non winner ni digo gueni. It ekitoan. Ekitoan. Eya meda e money. Eya digo ni gue. Nu yagba ogiyan. Okay, they are giving people that is not. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I just want to miss it. Okay, if those people that live in the diaspora, which is all over the Europe, okay, maybe both for Benin, that they support you, because you put that foundation. My brother, orphanage one they talk about, you they see all this total decay. They see all those people when they do orphanage. If you want to do that, you don't say you are capable. You want by yourself. Do one. You want to help people. Now, what your man say me they do for people. Now it be that. If you don't know that name when you give that thing, my brother, they too man they be your own. Okay, God Sent Foundation. While we God Sent Foundation, orphanage you anything. My brother, addressing we giving me a video where you tani where who are close ever because you were who contest. Uleleze yamu that a man winning there. Uhiwe the God Sent Foundation. My brother, who close ever, I'm just telling you, you are not closing there. Mommy, Maniviedo, we have that simple feelings, okay? We have that that human feelings, okay? Even though it's bad children. Even though it's all about maybe people that don't even have, okay, they are doing those things, okay, they are just helping you with their God's mind, okay. It's not all about you because you bring that. Most people that cannot just go ask instantly, or most people that cannot say, I'll say go do this thing for us, so okay, let me just send this money to this social person. Me too. I sent somebody, even though I'm not the person that just give you that money direct. Yes, I did. Okay? Even though we are doing those things to support you because of those people that you are bringing out, you want to help. That is why you do orphanage. Or mama get away, my brother. Nobody send you. You understand? Or mama get away no orphanage. You is your opinion to open it. And that thing you are doing, everybody was proud about you. Okay, proud. Where my brother wagele yao, oga vie mola down the streets, oga help more, oga help man over here, oga help many things. But mami we na do one na arena. Ededema. Mama na hama with my brother. Papa J school, my school, my Papa J school guy. What post school, leave school matter. Okay, we okay no ma go we arewa. Yes. Omanake do are position where Jenny, you go have somebody like two people so that they go they put her through. Well, here made a mistake. I'm not by come away with no a piety video or bros talking like this or bros not talking like this. My brother, my reason okay do ladia. Okay, I do have where because of is there Obaseki winning. Ge Obaseki winning. Ge Obaseki na winning ya. Ge tiya iya here do close of nana where. We ge man even a go man no man enegbe. We go Obaseki, for example, our governor ni eri mani. We fi woman enegbe ya. He's educated and he's very wise. He's intelligent. Oh, me know. Oh, we can't away me nani. Oh, my send to where. You understand? And if you do ya Emma yahi, do de ba mabe, do ma de ba mabe. Oh, my bege where he's going. The man in we bege ni, he can still give you support of your foundation. Nu we ye uni. Okay? Then say ya mu we be de ba ni. If you do no. Il y a pas ce qu'il y avait J, et du WJ. Oba se governor Rima, excellency. Oba se kinin webekana. Vera, verugwe. We may go say yagahi. Ga, you not see any man a borrow. And in an keep many things. I'm not used to all those things. Sure, you get me? You understand? Okay, can where a man not win. It's our time. It's a lot time. Okay, wa begedi winning. My vote why way it's not. Also, no like if you do up this one fanya like you people have to do this for this man. It's not na very bad. Have a year a kweku have a year nana ya what clear clear. Okay, and you don't have me manania where we're no key foundation fine. A mani can have it to a bege anyway working up here they are doing it well. With their own. Unless someone already buying where me on have your support, and you have continue, they are doing it well. When I make when no kawa way now, we hear the way to when I de say Yamuna get to where I close ever, and that is the message, my brother. Umata say, and number 2, yeah, me nana kama where when nuka no ario tegbo. Na mwe kopu nwe, na mwe title nwe. My brother, ya vie yare. Vie ya diedo. Yes. E keni yari na vie anything title nwe or anything. My brother, go park there, come. All of the company, yes. Anywhere ni yari na vie anything nwe. Wa vie ya diedo because wa re. Otenedo ni omawe, my brother. Otenedo ni that Benin land, he favor you. If that America when be say you say they okay, they balance. My brother, you know they move. My brother, if the America when you say in favor you they can't pay as you they grigba. You know go wrong company. So for that reason, if you don't feel lock that gate, say you want close that God send foundation, my brother, carry that key again, go open now. You know they go anywhere. You go work for that Bini. One win I go tell Donny. I'm just telling you the truth and the facts. Any cow, ya pass yo, ya mudia nwe, or ya mabote doni. They stand for you, now you take better for that Bini. Okay? If you feel say na lie they talk. If when you dey America, you feel say you dey see all those things where you get, you for not come that Bini land, So come out of this we na govern, we vote for this one can't win, I make you one closer. Okay, if you tell me look at what it concern, I vote for this one, you know can't win, I want close the foundation. Guy, now because of people money, you open that foundation before. We know they understand. I don't understand. Me one me I can't they understand you. When I'm here say me and where no matter where you. Where be say if you don't do good finish, you don't go one. Maybe people can't thank you. Maybe people no say yes. This our brother like this. He really puts mad. He really do this thing well. Why? Then you can't send video now. Did they send the video? You want to close it because somebody that you vote for, you don't win. That person will not win. So now only 4 years old. Now our excellency go tell rule. You see they come back. Now Bini see they. Is that Yamu is not going anywhere. He will see enter again. Yes. It's step by step. God knows I say they do all it is. Now program. He's still coming back. All those the support herself. All this Obatobaze that support. What else they call Afiaman of I don't know, one guy like that. He really try. Then we work in those states. Warokpa edi erokpa. Ote donya na bima wa ya anwina yo. All those people when you see, so they see they come, when go be say, tomorrow time they come, they will now be the governor, or now be the assistant governor, or now be so something. Abuna no know. Abi mona look on herself, say the time wanna day so, mona go look the time wanna fair be, wanna would they grow they come. Now so wanna be. No, say something they change, the word they change, they go. So not the one when you call say video say, nah, you vote for somebody, as you vote for and finish, you know win. So you want close your foundation. My brother, you go work for that Bini. You know they go anywhere. If you love that place, go open her back. We know there as God sent foundation. And you were trying. Fine, people were supporting you. May God bless each and every one of them. It could be me too, self-joy. Okay? So, if you now say you want close that place, what do you feel open that place for? My brother, and you know say you know one thing when people don't know for this life. If woman be they pursue you, God go rescue you. But if God they pursue you, you are not going anywhere. You don't even get where to hide. Anybody when you go even run, now they go even pursue you, go back. God don't turn down. If they pursue you, now your worst pass. See name when you even give her. If you don't know, you say God sent foundation. I know they like why people when they put name where they say they not go take to the extent. You they put God sent foundation. And you are not doing that thing right. You know be Bini. Person not tell you say what you want to talk about. I better share this video, guys. Please. Help me to share it so that may reach you a day. He also know, but when me want to maruwa not to boy ruagbe. Person when you don't push, if they by self, they push yourself. Who they pursue you? I be your man, you walk off, you say, maybe as our SLS don't enter now. You walk out there, you say, may you close that place. Guy, reason that man not be like that, you don't even see you, not send you. And we have a guy, mommy have a youth, you have a fair, why you have a fair. Now why will you boy you expect in your one way any? Ever ya swan winner. Yes. No la wo no yet in bed, no saloba no yet in bed. No yakie, they company no, they anything no. Who are yakia swan winner you tell Donny? Also no saloba that the baby man yo. Do what man? Oh, about we are le. Why labor? Because one or Google me worry about who make a do lady one. Rule that way, or tenet on your mawe. Also, my wagbowe. Now I made that Bini, I make you there where you there today. Now that Bini, he favor you where you know. Two, you can't see gather money. When be say that Bini favor you can't gather money, you can't go buy you can't go build us. I be you buy for Lagos. Now that Bini, I favor you. If you don't know, I just they tell you some secrets when you don't know now. Because here I have few bagable, here I have van weapon, wa amuna zemuno so. Now that Bini, ufi moto we na ma fi moto, e ma ewe, mama ewe o te doni. O mama gbo we kesun. O te doni, o mama gbo we kesun. Ya gbon ya make me ni tama we na my brother, o mama na hama we who made the mistake. Me now they tell you say you they make big mistake. You they tell people say you want close foundation. I don't understand. Foundation with vote election when we vote or whatever. Why it affect? Not only you want to do foundation. Why it affect that one? I mean I don't understand. I be go away for vaza. You don't get money for bank again. I make you come to talk about all this one now, so that our governor now go come carry we go. No ya bear nana no who amune a youth ni anwinania or the watemu or the munu we not swear foundation. Only way igual now because me marry understand because this where is there yamu marry winning nania. Okay, only yours to where who will give bioni go papa. Iyo salo boy agbongele osioma. Agbon osioma o. Only yesterday na day yagbenya na pa kan no they are when atie voting now. What changing camelio what fi we my brother a getting go open you know they go anywhere you go work for that in those states Those states now favor you. Now you take buy land. Now you take buy house or whatever. What you take build down. Now you take buy motor when you they if you say you see the drive or whatever. Now you take day how you day today. Now that those states now favor you. You know they go anywhere. Go carry that color that per clock when you take maybe you say you take lock. My brother, you go. You know they lock anything. Oh, you know they go anywhere. You go work for that Bini. Oh, me, you know, if you say as a basket in one correct and now the second time, you can't say me now everybody now youth or anybody that start to they do something now they work. Hey, is it good? At least I reject her for all my brothers and sisters, all our brothers. Okay, lazy youth. May they work. So, Jono Sage, one winner. Potato no make my brother. If offer me God sent foundation continue when a my son ye make it on yari mi kere go any no yari say my brother continue a video e mo out there get anywhere omo man do mutiti go ene usu foundation we continue. I don't understand anyway we jea yo salobwa I don't understand this man or been a boy. I don't understand you. If you are doing something, do it right so that people will understand that since when this guy, there is one guy that is doing this in one Yoruba guy. You don't hear what they say go come out for video. And the worst thing, when you want to start this thing, me not there. Nobody there. Say you want to start, I want to open orphanage. I will give her this name, God sent foundation. I think now that one I'll take come out. Okay. You by yourself is your own now you just opinion. Now you by yourself bring that this thing come out. But when you want to come closer now, you can't put her for Naija, or you can't put her for Naija Watch, you can't see put her for Facebook. Maybe people know say you want to close your foundation. Okay, you want make the message go meet our excellence so that all the mutiti everybody Ghana must go buwede. Ghana must go or buwede. Jesus Christ. This one make me to like people who call they know say you are not real the way you people think you are. Who continue doing your good. And let God reward you. Continue doing your good. God will reward you. When you are doing things, believe me, anything you are doing today is God that will reward you, not humans. It's just the feeling that we have. My brother, when I had you tell me, wait to pack you, favor, because mommy vie do ma make it one. Now we make you day where you day today. Oh, everybody around the world, now they make you, now that Benin, because they address it, now then you for evil, now they for born you, now you for grow. They go to America, do where, go and give a good go. My brother, pause, they your lay. Wow, wait, if they do something way good, me self now, me, you can't even make the thing, can't even over worst. May give you anything. Okay? Nobody. Abi kwoni ya win and ye kun ye gbe ye do use and walk. They walk, all their body go, the next moment it go down. They go bless it, you still break them. They go see say if you bring video come out, see small pikin. See this man leg. This woman, yours man, your run leave am o. Or EJ me, see this young boy like this with this small girl when you're born. They want to take up people they do. They get that feelings. You feel say na you just they make them, you they sham them. You believe na you just they make them they do. No, now God they touch their mind. That's why they are supporting you. If you don't know today, you know. At the moment you will quick for that land, my brother, it cannot favor where. Nowhere go favor you. I'm just telling you the truth. Nowhere go favor you. They are just helping you because they have that sympathy. They have that fear of God. Most people will say, may I do this or may you put them for your account. May you see help me take care of these children. Just to see doing. Now may they help you. Now may they support you. I mean, you know, say person want really say want to put God anything foundation. Now money till they start. Now money go till they continue. I don't know who you they depend. You they depend of we humans people. You they depend of governor. So let me say, if to say this man now, our second man now is Yamuna. He go see it again. But this one when you can't be say you can't shift. He get IB. He get IB. I beg, we now, I beg, our governor, may fair drink water, put cup for grant. Though, for now, he get many things when he go do. Fair they do the one when you know how to do best. Fair they do the one when you continue, when you first they do small. Why you want call shift come up for that one now? Or who can tell you say close this place? Okay, you can't bring letter for you say you say the man now you know the intelligent, you know get say none of not people like can you they help. You know say now you might be like can you they help. You can't give you letter say hey close this place. I don't need you here again because say you support Zeyamu. Do you think that man is like that? For your mind, you think say that man be like that? He not even concern you concern now. He's doing you now your mission. What you want to do? How you want to arrange things process? Now you want go for now. Yes, now let this week you go take relax. Now you go take relax because the man really stressed. Now go stand for him. So please, I don't understand if you want whatever you want to do, God Foundation, you want to close it, you don't want to close it. My brother, very well, Abu we make we take away when let them out go on. Abi you want make I talk? Before maybe this our SLS now, if you do your that 4 years now complete now, you not go try again. May you see do your may you look yeah you see get luck. But people go see the fear because as you do this one, and you just genuine say you be like this. People go fear. People go they wrong. You understand? Please share this video. If you want to give your opinion, you can call. Okay? So people go they fear to even near you because you will not go fit. We not go fit. You are one person for this because we not know una because una go to do bebe ye. Why yo? Jesus Christ. Like you want to close God's Send Foundation because somebody I support, you know, can win. So now because the government are not supporting me either. So now it just only me and the people that is supporting me. You dey shame at all. Who send you for the first place? You don't benefit for all those things when they send for you. If they give you, maybe they give you 50,000, you use 25 or you use 20, you carry the remaining 30. Or you carry the remaining 25. My brother, you know say that place favor you. You know say that thing when you do, that foundation when you call foundation for orphanage, you know say it really favor you. You use and benefit a lot. So I don't see the reason why when you can't do video. You fail when you want to start you not tell video say, nah, I want to open this. Now this name I want call her. Or now so it go be. You not tell us when you open her. But why be say nah, now you can't tell us. Say you want close the God Send Foundation because you saw somebody that you support, you know, can win. My brother. We are not why you they turn up at why you they do like this? Why? Why you not read? Our begging why? If you are doing things, do it in the right way so that God go to open your way more and more. You are doing those things, and a lot of people that God will bless, they are really supporting you of that. Then why can't you keep on doing your goodness, your good things that you are doing for those people of those states? Why now you want to go away? Why now you want to lock your orphanage? Your God Send Foundation. Why now? Why be saying at this time now? You want to come closer? Say because it's there, Yamu no win again. That must see they come back again. After our SLS go don't do your finish. You go see enter. Una go dey enter small. You self if you not take time, you self go see enter tomorrow. But now only who go open wine and go hey. You understand? You not concern me. You understand? You not concern me. So or maybe all this about Obaze or Fiaman of Dama boy. He really try. They are building it up. I mean, not as they follow this people, they get the more wisdom, the more things about politics where they go. The thing go they push them. You go they push them before you know. You go just contest for election. You go your contest say you want to become maybe a governor or assistant governor or whatever. You go that's so they go. I mean, we not fair the year about politics that time. People when don't fair rule, they never stay there, they never rest. But who they come now? They are still coming, more are still coming. Una the youth are still coming, a lot of people are still coming. Where be saying now you want to say, please guys, I just want the worst thing when you can't even do. You can't say the girl when they say you can't go the video for when you sit down. We want to close it because the person that is opened this place. So now it's not. In fact, my show now because the thing the way when they provoke me, guy. John say I just a lot of you are my brother. or any cannot baby you are don't ma. My brother, why you don't make open that place again. Continue what you do. God will give you strength and strength when you will take to do the thing. Don't go anywhere. That place favor you if you don't know. I not see the reason when nobody give you paper and say they want to close that place. Say you not going to do again, say because you not support them. Nobody will come meet you and say, hey, come out there. You understand? Do the thing you are doing best. Do it. Don't come here to come and be bringing some videos like you want to close that place because I support Izzy Yamu, you know win. My brother, I want to win man. I have win it. Maybe not be your time now. 4 years ya gbaba o be lao o ma be lao e life in aje. One akpokpo egbo say you mama gbonu the good thing you are doing in those states, then you want to change it. Abi you feel say no be that don't stay where for they do those things. No be all those places where you they go for Igbo land or whatever when they give you all the chief title. You feel say no be all these things when they see say you they do for the Benin, how you take the help people, blah blah blah. You feel say no be they give you title. You feel say no be all those where they give you title. You feel say not just they just call you bang. Yeah, come and carry the gift. Just carry and toe. Just they carry and hey, they don't give me you. Now the things where you do for those states. Now it make them. They call you, they give you all this chief title, enemy, whatever. Now you make you also sometimes see the reason as a man. Okay? If you want to do something, maybe you feel say this thing when I want to come out, make I talk am like this. You call 2 person, call 1 person. Okay? Call 1 person or 2 person, they go address, they go talk to you. Okay, my brother, you want one like this, but I feel say that thing not dey nice like that. You know, say this place, you really use that, they okay, oh, you really good for you, you make her, you know, you are still doing this thing, continue doing it. It favor you. You understand? You go see, say, at least 2 people, one must give 1 good reason. Wisdom there now, guys still get wisdom. The guy, men when they get wisdom, they people when know what's up, they're many. They go tell you, they go let you know, say, this thing when you they do not true. They go support you, they'll say, okay, not talking like this. No, you're talking say you want close down because say you join our man, our father. Yamu say you no can win. The rest the PDP can win. Now the same thing, we all na bini. Jamie, we making an affair to wait here. I fear with ye. I could go ye wrong. 1 minute, Papa. Yeah, you 1 tumbler, they could use and they take drink. That is life. Where you now will be say you don't start your own foundation. You don't continue to the talk, say you want close them because you vote for Yamu, you don't win. Oh, you winning. Now God, now step by step. Our president, our excellency, do respect. Where may he continue? Make it continue. May do that for years, come on. Let's see the changes. Let's see the things. Excuse me. So why now you are bringing it out like you want to close your God-sent foundation? We only argue where? Ija. You want me they laugh? This one when you can't do self, can't make me they can't think what people they talk about you. My brother, I beg. Go if you don't close that place, I beg. Go open now, not look people eye. Just continue that thing when you they do. And God go strengthen you more and more. He go send people, he go send your helpers when they help you. Don't close it. You have done a lot for people of Edo State, we know. You don't do many things for children for them. We know. You don't do for our papa, them, our mama, them, our brothers, our sisters. Okay. But continue doing your thing, not bringing it out on video that you want to close it because you support somebody, the person no can win. You can't bless say you they change. I be you want for the other one, not divert enter the other one. You want come from that one and divert, enter the other side. We know say that one you support. We know say that one you dance well, everything for all. But you know me say if you don't win, I not gonna win again. He not talk like that. We they see all these people when they say they put their effort to make sure say, yeah, PDPO, or ACO, all of them. My brother, mam ukpona na land, all this governorship or whatever when they enter so if God say you go there, you go there. Not be you they talk am. Now God they program, now they talk everything. Yo ka say yo, eni ka o do pass by. Okay? You go see am. Say things go they go well for you. Why I be you don't know say where you for grow. You remember when we say one woman one picky for say I want got her that year, that time. Please, my brother, if you want to do something, it's just advice to you, because when I come across that video, I was really upset. I don't like it. Marokba is so what mama like Wow, we no ma if you wow we no ma wa say so that a man atian we yes and uni. People go they see you, they go they say, you do this thing, no that time when that bros. No, you really try. Now man you be genocide, you try. You finish work. You do this thing well. People go they support, people go they say yes, you really try. In fact, inside that those states, a lot of foundation, most foundation, they did. But you did try. May God see straighten all those ones. They are still coming up. They are still doing better. But why will you just think they just break? Like yesterday they call election. They just break to you just decide say you want close your this thing. Say because say you felt to say if Zay Yamuno win. Say you go close there. My brother, nobody they pursue you. They where you they do that thing when you they do. Wa remi ya na ni me ye kamu we na mi opopa ye kama we. O te doni o zagbon o ma we, my brother. That Benin land they favor you. Believe it or that leave it. Just if you believe or you not believe, but I'm just telling you the truth. Say that place, that Benin kingdom, it will favor you. Or my favor is so very we know where your favor we. Or favor we, my happy we. E ma vedi mi kre go e. No we ya happy money. I mean when me beg one no we offer me me support. E ma supporting yan. And they are still doing it well. They are still begging God. They are still begging people to help them more. Me the reason when we are in a work, we are here. Where we because we supporting your marrying win. So now because we benefit of a governor or whatever. So you are just doing it on your own, and the rest people that is supporting you. I mean, the support you when you are governor. He has support you because of the love, the kindness, the love in your name. Abu Wema. They are supporting you because of the love they have for children or they have for our brothers and sisters. That is why people are supporting you. Genocide gay. Please share this video, please. If you want to give your opinion, you can still call in. Okay? Please, or you are telling us now that you want to close it. For why? Which reason? Who no win today, no go win tomorrow. Now that one they tell you. I mean they tell you like that. Those two men, they be binio. Now they for bonded. They be a man and our being a kid on a they go see it. Yes, the fitness go. You go see they continue. Good evening, my brother. I see you. Thank you. I see you, Amoro Giver. Thank you so much. Good evening. Thank you. Please share this video. May go meet this Dionosage. Azunuokpa no temohi. But I will tell you the truth. You are doing well, but don't close that place. Anyone in favor where that place favor you, my brother. Not think say because say you vote for this one, you no come win, then you want to shift come up for there. Don't shift, don't leave. Continue doing the best you can do. Then he say yamuna ye kana ye be continue we favor we. Oh ye be happy we do ye be have me no. Oh ye who our SLS Obaseki Gerima. He go see do we are ye uno because on SN we une doni. He go see support you. Not coming out because you dead by Okpa, that person not come win, you want close your family. If they say me they look at my brother, this one come make person come they do say you be like this. What you go concern you who you vote for? Concern your orphanage when you open. What you go concern that one? Concern that orphanage when you be say you open when you want to do good for that those states. When me get say you who you this sort no ya also no ya zuma wagbon you egbe. Oh yeah, I'm wagbon we be now. My brother, what am I when I time? If America favor you guys, you know they move. You know they go anywhere. You go see that place. They also. You know, see guys where they also. Since morning now, some guys don't go. Maybe where they wash car, or maybe where they go farm, or maybe where they go fabric. You know, this where they work. They work since morning, they sweat. You can't use that. They do one kind of yeti. But see you go, you see what your opinion when you bring come and say you want the FDC and you can't say for those states. My brother, you are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. You go work for that those states. Yes, so we are one with those states. Where don't we now? Where don't mean where we benefit about we are idole or maybe where you are so a little of it. At least it's okay. I don't have money. Oh my brother, I will video. Stay there. I'm not my who way. I'm not very quick notice where we are any mama gwalo where. People know things what you do for that Bini. They see they talk and say you they try. But let people to praise you. Let people talk about you good. Okay, me down. Okay, me name. Not for bad thing. Let people talk about you for the good things you have done. You are doing these things, okay. You are trying. People are saying you that. Not coming out to like, yes, you want to close it. My brother Shane go cash you la wo ege kwe muima and e kwe have a move because hotel doni that Benin land to favor you that Benin kingdom when you dey see to favor you know they go anywhere. Abi because we in a Obaseki rima go don enter Obaseki don enter post now. So una no say work one corner. Work na one corner so who no get a class na you go get a class. Shovel. When they dig, work now go come now. Now work now one console. You people are not running. No more running. Who are they by doni? Yes, now one join now repair that Benin don't away to our test. Now they go anywhere, nobody they go. Continue do what they do. Support. Okay, why then na where my baby money here though. Okay, we are supporting man here. The thing is for your mind now. Wait, I want to ask you one thing. The thing where you be say, okay, you say governor because that video now go see plan now. You say you know they get the support of an enemy. Now lay your own with people when he love you. My brother, all those people when they bring those things for you and they don't say with the fair get governor. They know, but they are doing it because of love. Yes, they are doing it because of all those things, not because of the one where you they talk. You understand? Okay. If you look at now, say this time when be say you they talk now, say you want closer. But you know, say that thing when you they do now, that Benin land today. If you they do that one, fine. You just be like say you see they help our governor. See they support little people when you see they see for streets or people when you see they see for outside. When people say they not see today, okay. You see they do all those one. My brother, you don't know where God for the favor you. I'm not sure. You don't know where God for the stand for you. I'm not sure. If you know, I don't believe say you will come and can't do that video when you do. You don't know where God for the stand for you, where God for the favor you. If you know, you know go come bring that video, come and say you want to close your God's foundation. You want to close the orphanage. You want to close them. Thank you, Joy. You are welcome. Please, you guys should call in. You can call him, okay? You can call so that give your opinion. If now what he do, if he good, oh, no problem. But if una fit say no see good, please, yes, not for insult. Just Mona just give am some advice when go be say go see take. We know say you really try for that Edo State, but not for you to come out because say you can't bring another disciple say because you vote for person, the person don't win. On your power, you're wrong, my brother. You wrong for that one. No, they not they do things like that. Because you say they do something for good now. Okay, fine. You do that thing good. They help our governor, be our everybody, all of us. You they help us. But why be say now when you go see take help, when you still continue the help, go be like say one side see come out. Now you want to shift come out. I don't understand. Why would they do that thing? Who they pursue you? You don't see who they no beat, you go just they cry. No. Or who they no push, you go they push yourself. You know they error. I want to come disturb you where. I'm a big way. I'm a disturb you. I'm a way no na gema. Emi ya no yo te do gema. Emi no nema. Emi agbon gema. My brother, o salo bona no wagre na no rekete. O san I say. Oh man agbon. Oh man agbon san I say. We why you go man agbon iwo? O salo boa o san I say. I say me. Every year no we over na we to bu we yes we you dey okay. Or favor we. There are any come pass you any mama pass you my mama pass zeve say ya no we. My brother who mama gbo area. We go by America re. Why you come for America? Because you know say yes, you dey come back to my father's land. Me I can't do so something for my father's land. You go work for me, go favor me. Now make you do that thing when you do. Now make you open that orphanage. I bet me I play this video for now because as I'm there now, I did somehow because I know how to talk to person the way because I don't fit up. My brother, if you don't lock that place, that key, go carry and back me, you go open that place. Nobody send you, either you join anybody, you don't join anybody, and nobody pursue you for there. Okay? Any key, if you get it, you go put that key or you give somebody may go through where my brother go collect and back. Go open your orphanage. Godson, you are welcome. Thank you so much. Please share this video. Share this video. May go meet Diono Sagie. Iyo salobere me oma. My brother Oma will say, oh, they do well. We love you. When they do all these things there. Everybody, nobody will not love you. Till now, everybody loves you. People see they support you. Some people for inside. They are still happy. You know, but you can't they do one. Now people they help you. Now people when they don't suffer work, how many hours? Use their body. Now they'll say, okay, my brother have me 20,000, have me 40, have me 50, have me. Now they support you. Because they still say you they help people when they streets. Enter what you go ni go. But because they hit on anywhere, we pay my those state in and we have no. Emmanuel no ke so azore no go e oje na kemi na wa kemi was oto akezore. Why be say if you plant corn now that corn go still come out for that the same ground. Abu we notice me. Please, you don't have to just lose guy like change like that. Chameleon video, you don't have to change. Continue waiting you they do. Please, continue waiting you they do, okay? It's very important to be doing the good things you are doing. If people want to support you, let them support you. The ones that don't want to support you, then let them go. Let be. And you don't let the way Ruta way my so much support you or because today by no support no voting I go marry winning get to a close foundation. And you don't have where say yam or zewe where or family we or magie we no be say me you close am na your mind. Or no do where na our governor na say me you close that place nobody see you they don't send that one nobody give you that kind of information. I want to come who nobody they pursue you. If you know that thing better, that thing when you they do, continue doing it. Not be say you come tell when you want to start the foundation. Nobody say give her this name or I want to close this or I want to start this. See the name I want to give her. Start I want to do and start I want to start. Nobody did that when you they give that opinion. So I don't see the reason why when you can't see one time, maybe person give you the opinion, say you want closer. Say you know they see the benefit of the government, you know they see the how we own what the way Ghana must go. This is your con get be. Ija, my brother. Igo na enwe ayagwalo enwe o se ni na time egani era me no kwa egani na anwa de o ga kama me ga ogwe ave ma so ni ege ogwe igo na enwe ayagwalo na do me igo ni to gbon it a lot of advice because it's truth. Looking for this money gradually, be doing it little you can do. Okay, I don't understand. If America favor you, you know go come that Benin land now. You go come think and say, my Mapa land. I believe say I want to do this thing for Mapa land. Ready for Mapa land. I'm coming to Edo State. I'm coming to Edo State to come and do something for Edo State. When Mapa land be that nobody go pursue me. But you come to Edo State, you give opinion. He favor you. The way you come, they run, they go. Where you can't they run, they go now. When be say the thing favor you, you can't buy land. The thing favor you, you say you buy the house. Okay, I be you build down. Fine. The thing favor you, you can't they drive motor. I be when I came in America, they will have the motor in your buware. Una wa change ya different time. Me understand. I be when me go hotel don't no saloba pass your way. Any car pass your, any mag talk pass your. Why you can't be saying now you want to shift now? You want to come and put a politics, say you vote for this one, yeah, the person not can win. My brother don't win today, go win tomorrow. It's just that God say yes. This position, now see your boss say key. You know, I fear where here. Now make is see continue, is see collect her back. Abu West Ijemi, where me want to also look at Jima, yeah. Now God created everyone. He know everybody mind. Before you calculate something, God don't know what you want to calculate. Before you do anything, God don't know what you want to do. That is why it's God. Okay? So please, when you are doing something, do it nice. Do it nice. Leave about is there Yamu, Obaseki, or who you join, who you not join. They don't even see that one. They just did their own now. They focus what they want, how they want to do this. There Yamu, if they work, if they day okay, the bar. And you see come, and you see they come. Go Maka, you go see come again. That time you see Ayada, you not go win. You go see come again, you see, and that man go see win again. That is just it. I'll say, you know, Salo Boatani, I'm by fear. When they wait, God don't talk. Nobody they change her. Nobody they change her. Why you go be saying now? Because you can't talk now, say you are not helping people. So now people are not helping you. The government, you are not getting any this thing for them. It's just only you and the people. So you want to close the orphanage. My brother, nobody first say you may you open orphanage. Okay, you from America, corner you open and then you give her that name. So keep on doing what you do. All this one when you talk, you they follow my back of here. Okay? Nobody support you for this one when you do. If you get the key, where you go throw away and put it, you never throw away or you never lock her. Go carry and come back, go to open that place. Put people when you feel they put, continue what they do. Because if God they pursue person, you get they be oh. Woman before they pursue you, you go get where you go wrong enter. But to salopo who were here or any cow, my brother, you get it be. Continue the goodness. Where you know the good, the prayer when some people don't pray for you. You know. So I want to play this video again. I know say most people now when I don't come across this video.
Apart from that too, they give out better food stuff. So some when we say
Hey, now wow.
All of this now one man they run am. Not the government they give am money to the run am.
No be government they give am money to they do am. Now one man they run am. Now he say you want do am.
If you still get government support for this kind better work when they do. Because he know say the government of the day and e not reach everybody. So he can't join the hand, join government hand, say reach more person. But as we dey talk so, the person wey be say he be the root for wey name na POI aka Pastor Sage Zeya we come be say for the just concluded election he can't lose. But we know say for any area wey for the represent na still winner because we know dey support bad thing. Na wetin go support the society, wetin go favour the society, the less privileged, na im we dey support. Now God don dey do this work tey o. Based on say he no even wan look anybody wey be say dey discourage am. But as I dey talk to you so, he come make promise say if the person wey dey support, if he no win, he go close down the foundation.
Person wey dey support if you no win go close the foundation.
Now they always dey bring money out, say they help people, say they cost service of doctor, to make sure say he dey empowered. So my people, the news be say, I dey very sorry but I got to tell you say, our oga wey be say then na Ambassador Dion Osage, don reason am say he wan shut down the foundation. Where be say he for dey help people, where be say for dey make sure say people wey not get children, they see chop. People wey not get house, they see house stay. People wey be say they never get leg to waka, if they leg to waka. So my people, that don be the news. So I dey very sorry, but I got to break this news to you. I know so na feedback, but na not vex. Na as the matter be. So that's how we want to survive one.
Una don hear that video. Una don hear the advice I know. Abeg, the way when I dey even dey hear am say the thing, e dey really dey provoke me. I don't know why, just dey provoke me. My brother, because say you support person, so you no come win, me say you go close your God Send Foundation. The time when you start this God Send Foundation that time, I believe say Adanso Shomole dey that time, right? Oh no. Because I want know one thing now. I believe say e dey that time. I be that time you know they continue doing your good things. The better thing when you know how to do best. You know they do why you can't be say you can't take am now as offense, like say you vote for person, the person no can win. Then you want close your foundation. Okay, I be get with you. I don't understand though. You go let us know. You know some people never write you, people never they call you now. I bet for me, when I share this message, may go meet am. I bet let us know why you say because say Zeya no can win again now. Then you want close your foundation. What make you feel open that God Send Foundation before? Now for something else, one we not understand. Or no, see the reason why. Or no, see what you see or na paper or na letter or na anything or when one make you shut down your God Send Foundation. Not be say, my brother, not be say even though you shut them, you close them, you do this thing. No career very my brother. But mommy, the little one who tell me help him, that is what matters. Okay? That is what matters. No be another thing. Because I don't see the reason why now the money can't be. Me not understand. It can't be say you can't. I don't understand. I been a because now say okay. If you want just say okay, you don't want me our SLS say okay as you don't enter now. You want me you send an envelope or may you write a letter or you want go meet her in a way. That man not send. He go see he go even attend to you. He go even I'm your wage. You know even did the one when you did. Because I don't see the reason why when you want close that thing. I beg. I dey tell you now, say, let us know where you want close that place. Now the money now you know or because say is there okay, so if to say is there yamu eta, then I mean say everywhere go for. I don't understand though, because the thing now you can't get it now. So you get done in the one moon because the thing me I want really tell you now. So if to say our honorable say Yamuna, our oga, so okay, you win this thing now. So we are say what you go come your pack out your money now. You ye do. If no we are you do you name you to you name and iro. Ave widows yakpo we do. We to buwe so we jodo so people they call your place there. When you dey help, you know. So you be one me they can't carry. Me no understand because me you let person know. Because people when they talk about you say na so you be, na so you be. We know they answer those one because we see the we they feel say see the things where you they bring come at that time. That time you comfort day like you dey nice. Or now you can't they change the color. We no understand. More we know. Have you don't see your person go open God Foundation? So more time you go now everywhere for they do this orphanage. Not be only our Benin side though. Where be say our own those states now one different. Or wait till you start now when you decide say you want start. People say you bring this idea, everybody support you. Our father self, you even pray for you, support you. You know the good things what they do for that those states. Why now you want wrong? My brother, you know they go anywhere, guy. You know they go anywhere. Forget American Ukawajeni. You know they go anywhere. You go die those states. That thing when you continue, you go finish am. And you self go see work for that those states. At those states in your mayo. Okay, wow, mayo. We are coming in. We are just starting. We are just starting. Okay, you say because say you are not seeing the benefit of the governor, Nenemi, which is again Shomeleya or Nakayaro where Yetana Namo then or whatever I'm saying. Okay, you are seeing the support of your own and your people that is helping you. But we're not supporting me. You don't know that is the place God is really blessing you. You don't know. My brother, now that place God for they bless you. Because I go Matila. People are no people because say maybe okay, this person you know feel seafood eat. That's why it come to you. That's why it come to your foundation. Because he know say you go see find a little one for him. Why you not continue to do that particular thing when you do, then you can't say because say your person when you vote for when you support, you know can't win. Then another person can't win when can't be the governor. Me say you know can't they do anything for that. You just say my brother, that land na your land. You do or you not do na your land. If you see born tomorrow, now there your children go see come one day. If you see say me they not come for but see here say na Benin land my dad for come. Oh Tenedo era my grandfather. Yes, never come. See what you they do that time for Benin Kingdom. If you don't know me, I dey tell you now. I don't understand. Come bring this thing come out. They tell us say you want close your God's foundation. You have to be down. You have to be close. You want to be enemy. Nobody see that one. But the real fact now, just give you this message now. Say if you don't feel closer, my brother, go open now. You know they run. You know they go anywhere. Because Edoni mana manu, my brother, whoever I will beg a big boy. If to say you know people no really support you that you know people when support you. You know people when lift you up. You know people when raise you. My brother, how much you break off America? How much you break off America? You know people when support you. You know people when favor you. People when help you. Because of that good things when you can't, they do not mean they support you. Because of that things when you bring come out. I mean, you don't know say a lot of people see they do this orphanage. Yeah, you don't know. Now let you want to do one. Why you want to bring this? Like you want to bring people contain no say see the kind of person when I be. My brother, you don't do well at all. This one your show say man, you get your own way today. You get you today, eh? You get you today. Ago badale doyi. Emi nuwebe uni. Usuebe no. Tuwe ma eme ikamu we na. Ago badale doyi. Usue owe una. Uduwe ma eme ikamu we na. Diono sagie. Ago badale doyi. Okay? Do a man, may you come away now because you don't know. Not for you to bring your video, this thing out. You want to close your God-sent foundation. My brother, not be all about you want to close the God-sent foundation. That ain't matters. Oh, nobody see you for that one because now you're if they favor you, they get what you they collect there. But I'm just telling you, say because of those help, when you be say you see the when you see, I see you favor. Thank you so much. Welcome. Good evening, good evening. Thank you. Please share this video. May God reach where this Diono Saige day. Oh, man, I come on with all Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, man, come on with here, do. Oh, with here, dole. My brother, who are dole? You are bit to where the Iowa. Eh? Umama Bonana way join our Benin Kingdom, join our father, our royalness, join it to do the Edo State very well, do this. My brother, I mean, you got attorney, so to about our attire. Nene support you, now where is the support? Diono Sagie, where is the support? Why you they do all these things when you they do? You know people when support you, you know people when help you that year when you boss, when you come out.
Oh, don't boss me.
I'm coming, excuse me, guys. Pass. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. So you know people when support you. If Obaseki win a beg, now in your time. Yes. If they run the race. Ega no. Always say nueve the boy you expect to get say yamu ave yawoge. My brother time they come that man go see carry on. If you don't know now bini there be now that don't stay there for grown and for born there. You go see enter again. You go see rule again. This time I go say yes now Obaseki now 4+4 now 4+4 now you want see winner again. Now so you be. You know me say, you know, can't get because you can't win now. You know, can't see the simple support. Or you know, can't they do what you they do. Continue doing your thing. Run your race. That was it. They run. Everybody they run their race. Do your own thing. Do what you can do. I'm not going to go anywhere. Hey, my brother, close this place. Because here you bonuje. They know the support when you see they do. If you say you see the do for the support of the governor or for the Edo Kingdom, okay. Continue doing your something that you know more better. Something where you know say you feel they do. Not be say you can't come out here and say because say you join one person, the person don't win, you want to close your God-sent foundation. So my brother, that's all when mission you get your own way when you go for city enter in a kurukere. I don't understand. I don't understand though. You join PDP, you join Nini Okpano. They be like this. Now let that name APC, PDP. Now let that name different. But the two people now like this. The two people, Eriyaje. Iya ye me gbe wa ko e adolo yiro. Iya ye me gba ye tu egbe. O ma fi mi yen gbere. You don't do it. Oma change anything. Fine, who I tita where Obaseki it was driving American another yare when God they know about it about my brother. You know what to be person. You know what to be person. I be person. They don't go follow you take him. Your bless say if you don't dey work for some kind of company, then you can't put one person say you help that person. Then if that person can't come, you can't dey try make them for remove you, my brother. Now if they go remove, wetin God mark say na your own. So that is it. How many years from now? 4 years or Baseki or you see 4 years complete now. You go just see rule now well, like you go just see come out. You also see this when you say you support because you don't come win now when you want. I don't understand. You go see there are people go see say that time if I try more if I do say you want win that time. Okay now why me with your boy you expect you go see rule am again. Ija. You know how tomorrow won't be. You go see enter that position again. Then go see they agree, they go see they drink together, they go see they go anywhere together. You are your own. You just there. If you like, close your orphanage. Emanu mama gbowekere. Emanu mama gboweke swing. You close it, oh. You don't close it, oh. That one is not my business. Oh, you can't give the opinion of. Oh, you can't tell. You know they tell anybody. Now you want your closer, now you closer. Now you want closer, now you want closer. And nobody even see you say you want closer. But now because say the good things when you say you do for Edo State, people not the same. Some people they the same. That is why they are giving you support. That means that they happy that they support you. They are really trying for you. They are really helping you, my brother. If America good, you know go for reason your father's land. Maybe you can't do that thing for them. But you know say yes, he go favor you. You know say go good for you. Then why now? Why your decision now? Only one day. Now yesterday they call result. Why now? Can they bring us say you want close there? No be say our SLS now say maybe don't even see enter this thing now. No be say you bring letter now say we don't need you for that Edo State. For this thing when you they do. The man no even saying now you don't enjoy every day. They run the race. Because now I want to start what you want to think your opinion, I wanted to roll the thing, I wanted to go gently. Now you're the face now. Now let the time we want to rest, maybe this week or next week. Don't before you know they don't go put them on. You don't sit down there again. Now they think nobody they pursue. You don't see person when you know pursue, you go to pursue yourself. Okay, if you say a lie, give us one reason. If not be about money, okay, give us one reason where you want to make you close that God-sent foundation. Just give us one reason where you want to make you close that place. Ha, your mother at Siawe. Gavi I west in Una, emi no mano, emi no mane do. Let people praise you for who you are. Let people talk about you good. You are doing all those things with okay, fine, it's good. But not for coming out because, and even though say you say, okay, you want just close them, people your office say, okay, you want your closer. Not be say you can't come out, they bring two things. Like now, because say this one can't win now, you person when you support, you don't come win. So now you want to close it down. My brother, that one is not excuse. There is something that you have not said. Or maybe no matter. Who wants to see you? You know many people when vote for the Zeyamo. You know many people. Is it try? Is it try? Forget. Is it try? Is it try? It's just that God know who you want give. God know person who want go back that position again. Is it try? But it doesn't mean to the extent of you to come out and be saying you want to close your God-sent foundation because somebody that you support that person did not win. That you want to close your God-sent foundation. My brother, you wrong. I go back there. You were helping our father, our royalness, our king. My brother, this one when you do so you support, you help now. Because it can't show say there is something when you get from it. I know we don't understand. We never understand you. I bet let everybody know because now everybody they support you. Shall Igbo, Benio, everybody. My brother, if not be that good things when you they do, even though you go there, Igbo land, they go give you chief title, they go give you this one. Now the goodness when they do for that Benin, now the things when they do for that Benin, and that Benin favor you, now make you build that, now make you get motor, now make you day how you day today. My brother, you know they go anywhere, you go work for that Benin. Why one winner? Why now? Yes, so you go see work for the Obas, you will see work again. Obaseki, now you want start. You go see work for that. Yes, why you winner, my brother? You know they close anything. Yija. You know they close anything, oh. Not be now you supposed to even they say, this is the opinion when, excuse me, this is the opinion when you go they give. Youth, okay, you know they tire. People go they talk about youth, that's why they lazy. If work, the youth not they lazy now. You know crowd will come out for Obaseki. You know crowd will come out for Izeyamu. You see crowd, you see youth. You see they preserve. If work day like that, my brother, reasoner. If all of them not go back to work, give them for class, give them digging a hole, give them shovel, everything. See everybody go the balling work. Because they go no say, they go collect small thing from that place. In the end of the day. I don't understand that. I don't tire. I beg you. That's why I do this video. I beg to share this video. Please, if you want to give your opinion, my number is there. You can call and give your opinion. Make it see here. Make it understand. Make it see no. Say this is not time for insult. Please, guys. Just to give our opinion. Make you understand. Say fine. Nobody disturb you where you do. Nobody they pursue you. You don't see who they never beat. You just they cry. Mona give an opinion. Tell them this way supposed to know. Say, something is supposed to go. You can call, please. You can call. My number is there. Just call. Okay, give your opinion. You can just call. My Gemini number is there. You can call. So that is it. Everybody supports Obaseki. Everybody supports Izeyamu. Ekereya se. Osegbeno. Ekereya se. Owa be se gboge. Osalobana mun. Owa be se oge. If you don't make they just support him because yes, he deserves to be there again. Then if you don't see reach the time when you don't see it finish, you may another person see can't do, may they can't see contest again. You'll see if he's there, if Yamu come out again, then no be that mad say Yamu does see put. That is how life is. When now you are doing good things and now you want to try to think like people are stupid. Or maybe they are foolish. They don't know what they are doing. My brother, this thing when you give, this kind of message when you bring on this kind of video, like you want to close the orphanage, blah, blah, blah. My brother, you not doing away. Eh? Go reason again. If you never feel closer, my brother, that thing when you talk, I beg, let people see you again, say you don't start again. Because not be good thing at all. You know reason away before you come out. Or before you talk about them. And for your information, if you see say you close her, it's for your own, not for me. The betterment of Edo State, mean Edo State in Ayama, Agmoyaji. Oye wo ya ri obo yepeti opa. Oye wo ya wo ma na ari na. Gare mu nene no we wefo. Oshomole wo refo. Wa gare mu no na no we wo refo na we wo refo. Wa me ize ya mu ne wa fi wo ma we win na okay fine. Or here the gbe la you see you go see do you. Yes, you go see you do you go come out there. We be bini why still legbere why gbe okay do no way more uba or wait you can't make you decide say no you don't want make you support this person or this person can't win. Why win? Then you want close your God Send Foundation. So we want to go never those to it. My brother, not let God discipline you Egeni ka ovio bonu do a so you the benefit of a diet don't state that you don't get small things now. You want to go Lagos, you want to go anywhere. You can't say you don't want to do anything when you do again. My brother, if you say you don't want to do again, nobody send you. People when you see be they support you now just because of the love. Ni ame no te doni, ni ame ne modo, ni ame ne man rodo. Ni man no boma so People when not today okay. People when things not today okay for. That is why people are supporting you to be helping them. But if you insist that you want to close it, my brother, Nobody see you. You are your own. They are just helping you because you are helping those people. And through those places, you are getting your own profits. That is just the truth. I beg you in the name of God. Keep on doing the things that you know how to do. I just beg you. This one are the only message when I say make I can't give you. The thing touched me because I'm not they used to all this talk, whatever. But this one, I know say you dey do one for children. You dey do one for people when we say they not too get. They're not too dey okay. Okay, if you see and you say some day there for school, some day there for football, I say yeah. Okay, some day there for something. Because of the support you are getting for the people. Okay, for the brothers and sisters that live in the diaspora all over the world, they are helping you. That is why you are getting those profits. That is why you are getting the little one. Fine, they see who they do something when no go be say no go see they eat from that thing. Okay, but you know say that thing favor you for that Edo State land. Then why you can't be saying that now? My brother, I want you to tell you the truth, eh? Until you see that Edo State when favor you, you don't get any other place when go favor you pass for that Edo State, eh? You understand? Because it favor you. Children when be say you dey help, they favor you. You don't know how God tell they open way for you. You don't really know, and you want to close that place. You want to close that door. Why? People when you go see help, they go see even pray for you. You don't know elderly men. You don't know prayer. Our father said, our king, you don't pray. You not proud of you. People don't say okay. See what you they do. Say they okay. Then why can't you continue what you are doing? Why you want to why something come inside your mind now you want your change from it. Obaseki can roll before can wait 4 years. Eroge wa be no na o na be we gegbera o kan wa be gbera. O is there ya monuma support we na e do be yi we o yi we de gbe la o be win. E na guyi e na gbelegbe yi e na taloyi. But your own work, imabere kene udeba mana o madeba mana o no ya affect your family, my brother. You know affect them. There are a lot of people there that is still showing concern that they are still helping you. Yeah, you happy where yeah you go where you raw. Yeah, yes and no you tell don't yeah you me ya no you. What boy say no na fear with you and I know you see where till you not see maybe why take am me not see a problem error. You go tell us. I beg. I just go beg you, eh? No, because go come and come they say, nah, you just want this video. Now you want to close your orphanage. You don't have time again. You have done the one you can do. No, you are not seeing the money, or you are not seeing what government is doing. At least you are just doing it. My brother, the little one will have a show. No have a pay government. Yes, I have a happy. I be help. Who will hear where? You go use that. Do not be the one when you can't come out and say, yes, I want to close my Godsend Foundation because I vote for Izeyamu or Maggie Win. So now I want to close it. Ija, my brother. I don't understand. La wo, we dey beg you now. We don't understand you for that message when you bring on. You now your foundation one. Now you know the name when you give her. Now you know how what to make you start them. So I don't see the reason why you can't bring her come out now. More with they know say, hey, John Osage want close the Godsend Foundation. Hey, oh, me Obaseki for year mommy. Oh, our governor go carry this big money, carry this portfolio. I be this big money, this thing. May can't carry. I can't give you my brother. I'm begging you to do. You know they see youth for Benin. Abi, you know the reason they are matter. Isha. Oh, why me on go drive only me you the old me one person you they drive one motor they go. Now make road that road. Now make it day as the day today. A lot of people are driving car. You see youth. Give your opinion. You do your life. They tell people. If not the little one you see let the governor know when you not see to know. You see the try you if you be say you continue to talk about her, you will see say you go see take that word coming from there. Go use and do something. I been not see youth when come out yesterday. You know they see youth. Did it not shock you? It not shock everybody. See women, not be the women with the talk, not be the men, no, but youth. La will go. May they see help the youth. No vie. No, why are you one there in your boy, cowboy in your boy? Where are any care if you go? We go aloha. Otien mo, where you calling no, who echo the yekbo, no mavo, who call left your talk. Hija, I don't understand. Please, they may so worried down in no, but my sorry. They don't feel it. A youth yakbo, some even marry, some even born. When we say no food, at least it's for you since we support this orphanage. Okay, fine. But if you don't get the way you do way this governor, president, governor, why we do not that baby or that baby now again for the 4 years. Okay, Salobanon, you mawag money, no give it more experience how to not beg a youth ya beg, no making up key big place. Nana me we are a winner. At least a little 2,000 or 3,000, 5,000. Iyobo no ne a youth. Iyobo no name tenant nema. So you understand? So there are many. Wa miegi winana na bekana, winana vueto bania. Wa bege you see say people know to the disturb. You go dey okay because you have a me isile bani, isile se bani. You have a me isile se. You have a me one nerawa. Okay, can we gele dey by ya? Okay, can we dey by go ba de lodo yinia. Also, no repositioning. Also, no revaning. Also, no solo bonus mama mom no ena. That's why you are okay today. And you know, say that's why you are there today. On favor way, people help you, guy. But not before saying now let women, guys help you, men help you. People help you. You know, people will help you. This way you get today, whatever is not support of people will help you. So why not changes? Opa mayahi, I make an asileberi, I don't mayakere. Nobody. My brother, they tell you, man, you know, for the year when your dad talk or when you grow or wherever, you know, come back, can't do things for that Benin land. When it favor you. Okay, you still give your own opinion, still give wisdom, still give things. I had people sit there, they okay for the Benin. I mean, we want like we want here with street, we want begging every time, we want parking here. I mean, we win an youth in here. You have a bag more money. Don't know if you over. If you can't be latte, a school wagon, or be a classroom, or be a ma. Yeah, the law, security, or only. Or be a ma. Talk things that is not like you come out, you want to close your foundation. You know, say, I will go. Who make I can't close the foundation, my brother. Mammy, me, I know a car or tell my brother. I get out that with a bear. Mammy, any cow, no wagon, I get out with a bear because Ote not in favor way. Any ma, I say your way. Because there's never say no, because of the good things that you are doing. It's not for you to just come now and tell you want to close your foundation. It's not all about you want to close your foundation. That is what matters. Because it's for you. You are getting something from it. You are doing the good things fine. But from there, you are still taking your own out like some percentage you get from that. Okay? That is for you. It's your own opinion. But not for you to like, you want to bring it because say, Obasa you can't win now. Say, I'm not can't win. You want to come bless, say you can't do to, we don't understand you. More would they understand you, I beg. Okay? Please, this is the only message I want to give to you. Please change. If you don't see who advise you, say, wait till you can't talk, come out, say you wrong. My brother, you wrong. If you do something, let God say, this thing when you do, let God go bless this guy. Go bless this man. Wait till they go continue. You go the favor go they come. Different way. Different angle when you don't even expect. Everyone we you born when my brother, to me wave and ya happy when do the hit one yame. Eko salobwa. Na ya happy man or ya support you. That's how you grow and you know it. So why not changing it? So please change for it, okay? Continue doing what you are doing. Do your best the way you can. If God say, fine, our God, anybody can still see you tomorrow. Say, okay, take this one, or our people, all of us will see this. Everybody can still support you. Not for you to just come out that you want to close your orphanage because you joined this one not come win. Then it's but it's your own opinion anyway. Okay, that's my own message. Just your own opinion. A lot of orphanage, they are there. People can still support them. Okay. So that is for me. But please, I beg you in the name of God, if you know that you give that name God Sent Foundation, you cannot just give a name. What is this? Hello? Hello? Good evening, my brother. Good evening. Thank God. Hello? Yeah. Okay. You will send it, okay? For now, I'm on live video, okay? You can send it on my message. I'm on live video. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. No. So that is it, okay? So you cannot just come like you want to close your God Sent Foundation. That is just that is your own opinion. Not be for me. Now your own. Please, you can call him if you want to give her some advice. I don't know. If you want to talk to her, say na your brother, because now see our brother, the thing when they do for that, those things we see him. The help, the good things we see him. But this one when come be say, he can't they change her now. We don't come no. You feel they see money before, my brother. Now this money, now small they he say na touch and go. Now small they find am. If you use your body to find this money, you run pass up you. Now small. Please don't let people talk about you for bad. Don't let people talk about you that you are not real. The way people address you. Because the way you are doing like this, the way you are doing now, it makes people to look like you are not real. You are not legit. You do things on your own because of the benefit you are getting from it. Please, this is my little message. Thank you so much. God bless you all. You that watch, you that comment me, God bless you all. Thank you all so much. I remain your girl. Yes, I remain your girl, Happiness. Please go to my YouTube channel if you are the first time. If this is your first time watching me, please go to my YouTube channel. Go to my wall. You can see it on my page. Go. You can see it there. Go to Happiness World TV. Go and subscribe and like and share. Watch my video. Thank you so much. God bless you. So that anytime I come across, anytime I put any video, you will be the first person to watch it, okay? Happiness World TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Give a comment. God bless you all. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you all. May God bless you all. One love, my brother. One love, my sister. God bless you all. Please, if you are doing good, continue doing what you are doing. Don't change from it. Don't let people to know that you are not real. You are not legit. You do things to get your own profit. Please, if you are doing that, stop it. It's bad. It's very, very bad to do that. If you are doing things that is good, continue doing your good thing. And it's only God that will reward you, not humans. Okay, genocide, this message is for you. You are doing things to help a little children along the streets or along the road, or the men or the women. You are doing it. People are seeing it. God is seeing. Everybody is watching you. Okay, not for you now to come out because you said you vote for somebody, the person didn't win. Now you want to divide, you want to close your. This is my brother. That clock, you not go close. Go open now. You go work for that. Those you yourself go work for that. Those states. As you go see work, you go join them. You go work. You know they go anywhere. Okay. Thank you. That's my message for you, Genocide. Bye. Due respect. Ciao. Have a nice day.